Hey everybody, what's going on? TJ here from Judy and TJ's Midlife Adventures. And when you know it, I got a project this weekend and Harbor Freight has sent me a coupon. Our project involves installing that engine into this race car. If you're not familiar with that blue and red fitting, that is called an AN fitting, and they usually are put in very tight spots. Regular wrenches don't work so good on them, so we're going to pick up a set of AN wrenches at Harbor Freight and see if we can use our coupon and see if we can get out of there without buying anything else. Now, through the magic of video editing, I'm going to transport myself to Harbor Freight. Houston, we have a problem. They are out of these wrenches. Eek! Better come up with something quick. Well, friends, we got a problem. They don't have the wrench set I'm looking for. It is going to be impossible for me to come in this store and leave with what I came for. But we're not going to waste this trip, I guarantee it. All right, gang, this is never good when you have to go in and get a cart. Oh, boy. You got to do an oil change on the motorhome, and if you know anything about how those work, that is a tough pour for your new oil, so better get one of these. Another 25-foot air hose. Yes, thank you very much. Yep, lose them all the time. That air hose ain't going to connect itself. Better get some of that too.
No one's stopping cannot be returned due to safety reasons. Did one return it? There's a number on your receipt you have to call.
Oh, okay. All right, gang, that was by far worse than last time. Not only did I not get what I came for, but I left with a bunch of other stuff. So, Harbor Freight, you guys are strong. You got strong game. That's a current score, Harbor Freight 3, TJ 0. Damn it.